Hello, welcome to Gladly Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, we're talking about how to delete Lollipop Live account. So the first thing you have to do if you have decided to delete your Lollipop Live account is log into your Lollipop Live account. The next thing is to click on the image icon found at the bottom of your screen. Click at the settings icon found at the top right corner of the screen. You're going to see the third option that says delete. You just have to click on it. So you just have to read the terms of delete. It says all account related information including friends and chat records will be permanently deleted. Once deleted, the account cannot be recovered and you will no longer be able to log in. So if you agree to these terms, you just have to click on the delete option in order to delete your Lollipop Live account. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.